Joe Rogan, experience number 606, Randall Carlson. This Joe Rogan Experience episode features a deep, wide-ranging conversation with Randall Carlson, focusing on cataclysmic Earth events, ancient civilizations, climate change, and sacred geometry. Randall Carlson opens by discussing recent fieldwork alongside Graham Hancock, exploring landscapes shaped by massive prehistoric catastrophes often overlooked by mainstream science. He supports Hancock's thesis that modern civilization, dating about 7,000 to 10,000 years ago, is actually a reboot of a much older advanced civilization, wiped out by massive asteroidal impacts and climate upheavals around 12,000 to 13,000 years ago. Carlson reviews geological and paleoclimate data, including Greenland ice core samples that show abrupt climate swings of 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, warming or cooling within years or decades, dramatic changes far exceeding modern global warming expectations. These sharp swings align with massive meltwater pulses, sudden sea level rise, and mass extinctions of megafauna, e.g., mammoths, challenging gradualist assumptions of Earth history. He critiques the overkill hypothesis that humans caused megafauna extinctions and attributes them instead to catastrophic rapid climate and environmental shifts, likely triggered by cosmic impacts. He contextualizes climate history, highlighting periods like the Little Ice Age and medieval warm period, and correlates historic events such as the Dark Ages and Grail legends with documented climate disruptions, famine, and plagues. Carlson stresses that humans have existed for roughly 180,000 years, yet recorded civilization only emerged recently, suggesting prior advanced cultures were lost to cataclysms. He emphasizes myths worldwide describing great floods and destruction, now increasingly supported by geological evidence. Carlson explains features like the Missoula floods in the Pacific Northwest, formed by cataclysmic glacial outburst floods carving giant canyons and waterfalls far beyond normal river activity. He also discusses the discovery of nanodiamonds, nuclear melt glasses, and carbon-rich black mats dating to 12,800 to 12,900 years ago, indicating widespread cosmic airbursts or impacts. The conversation shifts to sacred geometry, how ancient peoples encoded cosmic and earth measurements symbolically in architecture like Stonehenge and cathedrals. Carlson reveals striking correlations between ancient units, furlong, mile, and Earth's dimensions and planetary architecture. He posits that esoteric traditions, including Freemasonry, carry encoded knowledge linking geometry, astronomy, and ancient history. Randall shares his personal journey to this knowledge, from early revelations seeing gigantic geological flood patterns through decades of in-depth research spanning geology, anthropology, mythology, and astronomy. He challenges simplistic climate change narratives, urging recognition of Earth's dynamic, often catastrophic history, and highlights humanity's vulnerability to incoming space objects like asteroids. Towards the end, Carlson discusses the psychedelic experience as a key to expanding consciousness and ancient mystical traditions, advocating for re-evaluation of psychedelic therapies. He also touches on technological progress, freedom, bureaucracy, and speculates on possible past and future interplanetary human exploration, genetic engineering hypotheses, and the cosmic origin of life, panspermia. Overall, the episode blends rigorous scientific discussion with esoteric insights, arguing for a major paradigm shift in understanding Earth's history, human origins, and the trajectory of civilization, one shaped by cosmic catastrophes, encoded wisdom, and the need for greater awareness of our cosmic environment.